Students, welcome in your English class. Students, today we will discuss about second unit of a reader, my English reader of our 8th standard, and the name of second unit is Compassionate Soil. Okay, Compassionate Soil. We will discuss in this chapter about the great social reformer of the society. Okay, so as you know that beta Baba Amte, Medha Patekar and Anna Hazare, Mother Teresa, these are the some names, some social reformer who sacrificed or devoted their life for the welfare of the society. Okay, in your book you can see the pictures of these social reformers, and you have to write some line or some sentence, some words on the life of these social reformers. Okay, so, students, after knowing about some social reformers, they sacrifice their life for the welfare of the society. Okay, they sacrifice their life for the welfare of the society and well-being of the society without caring about their personal life. So, today we will discuss such a great social reformer, Mahatma Hansraj ji. Mahatma Hansraj ji follow the principle of simple living and high thinking. Mahatma Hansraj ji, the founder father of DAV movement. This know you very well that Mahatma Hansraj ji, the founding father of DAV movement, was indeed a noble person. He was a very great personality and very noble person. He was full of milk of human kindness. Okay, he was very kind person. He was a Mahatma in a real sense, in a real word. The two great Mahatmas, there are two great Mahatmas. First Mahatma Gandhi ji, okay, and second Mahatma Hansraj ji. Trace the identical path. They follow the same path. They both sacrifice their life and do the work for the welfare of the society. Mahatma Gandhi ji won in the political, he was a political leader, and he sacrificed his life for the country, and he also fight for the country. Okay, make his contribution was very great. We can't forget his contribution. Okay, and he sacrificed his life for the independence of the country. There were almost contemporary. Contemporary means that the people who living in the same period. Mahatma Gandhi ji and Mahatma Hansraj ji both were contemporary. It means both were belong to the same time period. They were both frail of body. They were not stouty person. Okay, they were of having the frail body, but possess a heroic spirit. Okay, their body, both body was not, they were not stouty person, fatty person. Okay, for physically they were not strong, but they both had a heroic spirit. Okay, they work as a hero for the country. They could have opted a life of luxury. Okay, but they sacrifice their life. They choose the hard path or sacrifice, or their sacrifice was main. They both wanted to uplift the society, ST and SC. Okay, they work for the ST and SC. They want to end the discrimination in the society. They want that there should be no discrimination in the society. Every person should be respected by everyone. Okay, so they fight for the country. Okay, they can live a luxury life because both belong to good family and have a that good financial condition, but both follow the path of hardship and sacrifice his life for the upliftment of the society. Okay, they didn't live for themselves. On the other hand, they live for the society, or for the country. Mahatma Hansraj was born in Khatri family. Okay, which was respectable family in the society and have a sound financial condition, means they were not poor, they have their family have a good financial condition. His childhood was a long story of poverty and want. His childhood, Mahatma Hansraj's childhood was a long history of poverty, and when he finally graduated after a brilliant academic record, he was very intelligent student. He had a very good academic record. His family was keen that he took up a very reputed government job. Okay, he was so intelligent. His academic record was so good. He got very high percentage. So his family wanted that he should join a very good, having a reputed and high payment government job, and put an end to the financial crisis. Family was thinking that time, after the completion of graduation, Mahatma Hansraj will join a very good job, and after that their financial crisis will be end. The family was facing very hard condition, and they have not good financial condition. Okay, financial crisis was that time, but inspired by Swami Dayanand ji. Mahatma Hansraj ji was inspired by Swami Dayanand ji. You know very well Swami Dayanand and his beliefs. Okay, he wanted to follow the path of Swami Dayanand ji. Mahatma Hansraj proposed a lifelong honorary services to the cause of Anglo-Vedic education. Mahatma Hansraj's family wanted that Mahatma Hansraj should join a very good government job so that their financial crisis would be end. But on the other hand, Mahatma Hansraj ji was inspired by Swami Dayanand and his faith, okay, his beliefs. So he sacrificed his life for the welfare of the society, and he joined the services of Dayanand Anglo-Vedic education. Anglo-Vedic education. He wanted to propagate the Vedic education along with the Anglo. Okay, his dream was realized through the sacrifice of his elder brother Lala Mulk Raj ji. What Mahatma Hansraj wanted, that only know his elder brother Lala Mulk Raj ji. Lala Mulk Raj ji only the person in the family who actually knew what Mahatma Hansraj wanted. Okay, who generously offered to share his merged monthly salary of rupees 80 equally with the younger brother. Okay, Mahatma Hansraj not only sacrificed, but his brother also helped him a lot. Mahatma, or you can say Lala Mulk Raj ji, also sacrificed. Okay, he accepted, he offered his Lala Mulk Raj ji monthly salary was very less. Even then they decided to share a very less salary, only 80 rupees, equally shared with the both families. When Mahatma Hansraj's wife realized the true loftiness of his ideals, she willingly offered to support him by adopting a simple lifestyle. When earlier Mahatma Hansraj family was not cooperating, but when his brother Lala Mulk Raj ji started to cooperate Mahatma Hansraj ji, then Mahatma Hansraj ji wife also started to cooperate or support his husband. Okay, by opting a simple lifestyle, they never demanded anything from Mahatma Hansraj ji. Okay, so that's why they help Mahatma Hansraj ji to or welfare for the upliftment of the society. Although Mahatma Hansraj was indifferent to worldly riches, Mahatma Hansraj was different. Okay, they never care what the world, what the people are thinking. Okay, there were occasions when he felt a pinch of poverty. They never considered himself poor. Okay, there was no any occasion when they felt that they are poor. Only a very few occasions were there when they felt that they are when he is poor. One such occasion I want to share with you, when Lala Sundar Das, the headmaster of Saint Das Anglo Sanskrit High School, Jalandhar, wrote to Mahatma Hansraj asking him to come over to help him in a grave crisis. Okay, there was a such incident when Mahatma Hansraj felt that he is poor. Okay, when the incident when a principal of Jalandhar Saint Das Anglo Vedi Sanskrit High School wrote a letter to Mahatma Hansraj and invited him to come to Jalandhar to help him. Okay, Mahatma Hansraj had to regretfully, very sorrowfully informed him. But Mahatma Hansraj very sorrowfully informed him that much as he would have liked to visit him, he wrote that he wanted to visit him, to help him, but he couldn't do because he couldn't spare the railway fare to Jalandhar and back. He wrote that he wanted to help him, but he had not so much money that he could pay the railway fare or come back from Jalandhar. Okay, then he expressed that he is this time helpless. On another occasion, when a case of distress came to his personal notice from a very respectable family at Lahore, he gave whatever help he could from his slender resources. But we find him sorrowfully recording in his diary. I wish I had more money so that it might have been possible for me to help a larger extent. Okay, and another occasion was there when Mahatma Hansraj ji considered himself that he is a poor. Okay, that first occasion that he was unable to help headmaster of Jalandhar Sanskrit School. Second time he felt that he is helpless or he is poor when he wanted to help a family that was living in Lahore. In his diary he wrote that if he would have so much money or so much resources, then he would be able to, or he might be able to help a more. काश उनके पास और रिसोर्सेज होते और वो उनकी और ज़्यादा हेल्प कर पाते. इट मीन्स दिस टाइम महात्मा हंसराज वॉज फीलिंग दैट कि अगर उनके पास ज़्यादा पैसे होते तो वो उनकी और ज़्यादा मदद कर सकते. अगर उनके पास होते, इट मीन्स वो अपने आप को हेल्पलेस फील कर रहे थे. दैट वॉज द सेकेंड ओकेजन. समटाइम महात्मा हंसराज would offer help when it was not even asked for. Mahatma Hansraj was so kind. Okay, whatever he never cared that if nobody offer him to help, okay, then he automatically helped without asking or without saying anything. He helped the people. Okay, one evening he met an old student of his who was serving in the post office. एक बार वो अपने किसी पुराने स्टूडेंट से मिलते हैं who was serving in the post office, जो पोस्ट ऑफिस में जॉब करता था. The young man was visually distressed, और young man जो था visually distressed था. Okay, and on being asked the reason, he told his pathetic tale. अपनी एक कहानी सुनाता है without expecting any monetary help. किसी प्रकार की कोई मॉनेटरी हेल्प, यानी उनको कोई पैसा नहीं चाहिए होता, उस बच्चे को कोई लालच नहीं होता. वो ऐसे ही विदाउट एनी पर्पस से अपनी सारी स्टोरी सुनाता है कि मेरे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ऑन क्लोजिंग द अकाउंट ऑफ द डे, इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड टू हिज हॉरर दैट ही वॉज शॉर्ट ऑफ कैश. जब अकाउंट क्लोजिंग डे के एंड में अकाउंट क्लोज करना होता है, ही फाउंड दैट, उसको डर जाता है कि उसके पास कैश एकदम से शॉर्ट हो जाता है. ही हैड टैलीड द अकाउंट, वो अकाउंट को टैली करता है कि कहीं प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुई, मैनी अ टाइम्स, बट वेन, लेकिन वो कैश का बैलेंस यानी एक्यूरेट नहीं हो पाता है. कैश जो है मैच नहीं कर पाता। ही न्यू फॉर श्योर दैट he would be able to detect the next day. Okay, he was thinking that the next day he will be able to come the problem. Now he also admit that he would be lucky if escaped merely with the dismissal of the service. He was thinking that if he would be lucky, वो लकी होगा अगर वो उसको जॉब से निकाला नहीं जाएगा तो वो लकी होगा अगर वो आज बच जाता है तो। महात्मा हंसराज हर्ड हिम वेरी पेशेंसली, बड़े आराम से उनको सुनते हैं, एंड टुक हिम होम, और उसे अपने घर में ले जाते हैं। अब उस बच्चे को परेशानी क्या होती है जो महात्मा हंसराज जी का स्टूडेंट होता है कि उसका कैश मैच नहीं कर रहा। अगर वो कैश प्रॉपरली डिपॉजिट नहीं कराएगा, मैच नहीं कराएगा तो उसकी जॉब जा सकती है। तो वो सोच रहा था कि मैं नेक्स्ट डे आके मैच कर लूँगा, आज मेरी किसी वजह से जॉब बच जाए, मैं बच जाऊँ, यानी उसको कैश अपनी जेब से पॉकेट से देना पड़ेगा। अब उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे। महात्मा हंसराज जी उसकी इस बात को ध्यान से सुनते हैं और सुनने पर वो उसे अपने घर ले जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो कैसे घर क्या करते हैं? ही हैंडेड हिम द अकाउंट बुक ऑफ हिज वाइफ, और अपनी पत्नी की अकाउंट बुक उसके हाथ में दे देते हैं। एंड टोल्ड हिम टू टेक आउट एज मच ही नीडेड। ठीक है, जितने पैसे टू मीट द कैश शॉर्टेज, जितने पैसे कम पड़ रहे हैं उतने पैसे वो उससे विड्रॉ करवा सकता है, जितने पैसे चाहिए वो इस कैश बुक से ले सकता है, टेक आउट कर सकता है। द यंग मैन वॉज टंग टाइड, उसके पास शब्द नहीं रह जाते। टंग टाइड मीन्स विद द ग्रैटिट्यूड, यानी उसके पास थैंक्स करने के लिए, ग्रैटिट्यूड का मतलब होता है थैंक्स, वो उसका धन्यवाद कैसे करे महात्मा हंसराज जी का, इसके लिए उसके पास शब्द नहीं होते। टंग टाइड, ओके, शब्द नहीं हो बन पाते उसके पास। ही बट एक्सट्रीमली ग्लैड, बहुत खुश होता है, बहुत हैप्पी होता है, टू बी एबल टू रिटेन हिज जॉब। रिटेन यानी कि उसकी जॉब जो है बची रह जाती है, इसके लिए वो बहुत खुश होता है। लेकिन महात्मा हंसराज जी का थैंक्स करने, किस प्रकार थैंक्स करे वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता। इट इज़ ईजी टू बी चैरिटेबल व्हेन यू आर ब्लेस्ड। बहुत अच्छी लाइन है बेटा, इसको अंडरलाइन कर लो। इट इज़ ईजी टू बी चैरिटेबल व्हेन यू आर ब्लेस्ड। ओके, आपको चैरिटी करना यानी दान करना तब बहुत ईजी है व्हेन यू आर ब्लेस्ड, मीन जब आपके पास पैसे हों, व्हेन यू आर हैविंग मनी। ओके, एक अमीर आदमी के लिए चैरिटी करना बहुत आसान है क्योंकि उसको थोड़ा सा पैसा ही निकाल के देना, उसके पास बहुत होता है। बट रियल चैरिटी कम्स फ्रॉम द स्कार क्वार्टर्स। ओके, मुश्किल समय में जब आप खुद क्राइसिस से गुजर रहे हो, आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, महात्मा हंसराज की कंडीशन आप जानते थे अच्छी तरह से, फिर भी उन्होंने अपनी मिसेस का बैंक अकाउंट बुक नंबर दे दी कि भर लो जितने पैसे भरने हैं। ओके, जितने की शॉर्टेज है ले लो। क्या आम लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं? आई थिंक हम नहीं कर सकते ऐसे। ये तो ग्रेट सॉल होती हैं, ग्रेट आत्माएं होती हैं जो ऐसा कर सकते थे, जिनमें से महात्मा हंसराज जी एक थे। ओके, जिनको हम कभी भुला नहीं सकते। ठीक है, स्कार्सिटी में, शॉर्टेज में दान करके देखो, फिर पता चलता है असली चैरिटी कब होती है। जब आपके पास एक रोटी खाने को है, सिर्फ आपके पास एक चपाती है। ठीक है, आपके गेट पर कोई मांगने आ गया, आपके पास खाने को खुद एक है, आपके पास बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा पड़ी हैं, कोई मांगने आ गया, आप उनमें से एक दे देते हो। इट इज़ वेरी इजी, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है। लेकिन आपके खाने के पास ही एक है और फिर आपसे कोई वही चीज़ मांग रहा है जो आपके लिए है, शॉर्टेज है आपके पास, क्या आप दे पाओगे वो चीज़? वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट। और असली चैरिटी कब लगती है? जब आपके पास उस चीज़ की शॉर्टेज हो, फिर भी आप उस शॉर्टेज में भी किसी को चैरिटी कर देते हो, हेल्प कर देते हो। ट्रूली, सच में, ओनली अ महात्माज और अ डिवाइन सोल आर कैपेबल ऑफ सच अ ग्रेट डीड। डीड मीन वर्क्स, गुड वर्क। ऐसी आत्माएं और महात्माएं ही, महात्मा लोग ही ऐसे अच्छे काम कर सकते हैं। हम कॉमन पीपल ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, और महात्मा भी वही होते हैं जो ऐसे अच्छे काम करते हैं। ऐसे कैसे अच्छे काम? शॉर्टेज में भी चैरिटी करते हैं। ओके, कोई सेल्फिशनेस नहीं होती उनके अंदर। ओके, सेल्फिशनेस होती है। द इंस्पायरिंग आइडियाज़ ऑफ महात्मा हंसराज विल कीप एंड एनलाइटन द यूथ ऑफ अवर नेशन। ऐसे महात्मा हंसराज जी के इंस्पायरेशन आइडियाज़ को ही हमारे यूथ को अपने में लेना चाहिए, हमें उनके दिखाए हुए रास्तों पर चलना चाहिए। ओके, तो आज की टाइम में महात्मा हंसराज जी के जैसे पर्सन बनने की ज़रूरत है, ठीक है। और वो हमारे सामने ह्यूमिनेशन का, कंपेशन का, ग्रेट सॉल का एक एग्जाम्पल है। इन द रूल्स ट्रू सेंस ही इज़ अ महात्मा। एक सच्ची शब्दों में वो एक महात्मा है जिनका सेक्रीफाइस आज भी हमारी सोसाइटी भूल नहीं सकती है। सो यू मस्ट रीड द स्टोरी ऑफ महात्मा हंसराज जी and simple living and high thinking. Okay, so you must prepare a speech after getting the ideas of the life of Mahatma Hansraj ji and Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, you must prepare a speech or you can prepare an article. Your topic will be simple living and high thinking. Okay, you can take help from the chapter Mahatma Hansraj ji and you can take the help from the following the example or by reading the example of the life of Mahatma Hansraj ji or Mahatma Gandhi ji, and you must complete the exercise based on the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.